Hey RVer, thank you for being here. We know that the RV lifestyle comes with a lot of education, planning, and choices to make. One of the most important decisions you'll have to make is how to protect your RV against the rising cost of repair. RV warranties are a great way to safeguard your travel budget and give you extra peace of mind the next time you get behind the wheel. But how do you know you found the right coverage from the right provider? Stick around and we'll explain why Wholesale Warranties is the way to go when it comes to a warranty company that will be there for you when you need it most. At Wholesale Warranties, we are the leading provider of warranties direct to consumer, and we've spent the last 18 years helping RVers get back on the road after breakdowns. We offer reliable coverage, personalized service, and customer support that you won't get from any other provider out there. When working with Wholesale Warranties, you're choosing to work with a dedicated team member every step of the way, from the first conversation during the quoting process to filing a claim. We have your back. But don't take our word for it. Read what real RVers have to say about their claims experience by reading their reviews on third-party customer advocacy sites like Better Business Bureau, Trustpilot, Customer Lobby, and Google Reviews. You have options when it comes to where to purchase your policy. If you're purchasing your rig from a dealership, chances are they've offered you a policy through them. But there are some stark differences between a dealership policy and Wholesale Warranties policies, so let's go through them. First, when purchasing from a dealership, they will have limited knowledge when it comes to what's covered by the policies and what's in each one. They're experts in selling RVs, so they know makes and models, not extended service contracts. What this leads to is a lot of customers who get a policy that they don't understand, and it's a problem down the line when it's time to file a claim. By comparison, at Wholesale Warranties, we are the RV warranty experts, so we know the ins and outs of these policies. We are the RV warranty experts, and we're here to educate you, make recommendations on coverage, and set realistic expectations about what is and isn't covered by the policy. Additionally, you may run into some restrictions with the policy from the dealer. Many dealership policies will require you to take your unit back to their repair facility if the breakdown occurs within 100 miles, or limit you to a specific network of facilities. Lastly, keep an eye on budget. Rolling your warranty in with your RV loan may seem like a good idea, but chances are you'll be overpaying for coverage long after the policy has expired. At Wholesale Warranties, our warranty specialists will get to know you, your rig, how you plan to travel, and determine your desired level of risk with repairs. From there, we'll guide you through extended service contract options, going through levels of term, deductible, and coverage that would be right for you. There's no one-size-fits-all level of coverage or policy. We want to make sure the policy you get aligns with what you've been looking for. At Wholesale Warranties, customer experience is our guiding force. We're in the business of protecting your adventures, and this looks like offering reliable vetted coverage, educating you along the way about what is and isn't covered, and offering claim support long after you've purchased. Our policies are fully insured and come with a proven history of positive customer experience and fair claims payout. Our policies are really easy to use and understand as well. All you need to do is take your unit to a licensed repair facility in the United States or Canada, and this includes mobile mechanics as well. License just means that they're in the business of working on RVs and have a tax ID number. Deductible is also paid per visit, not per item. So if you have multiple items in need of repair, you only need to pay one deductible. You can also lock in multiple years of coverage at once to get the best rate. The core tenet of RVing is education. Whether you're learning how to operate your rig safely, the rules of the road, or about RV warranty protection, we're dedicated to providing free, informative content to the RV community. On our website, wholesalewarranties.com, we have a variety of different blogs and articles related to all things RVing and RV warranty protection. We're sure that you'll find any topic you've been searching for on our site. You can also find informative videos and interviews on our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Searching for the right warranty and provider doesn't need to be overwhelming. We're here to guide you and answer all questions forward to helping